My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Chaddad. Chaddad is a ransomware targeting many computers all over the world today. Chaddad ransomware is able to essentially damage the files. My video is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can protect and defend your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover the files. Now, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Chaddad ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that something bad has taken place and they can no longer access their files. Plus, they see this blue screen of death sometimes. I recommend you to remove this ransomware called Chaddad urgently, and I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get a download link on the screen, combocleaner.com, and the second part of my video will show you how you can remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, three scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these two scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.